On the 5th of January, the Supreme Court declined to grant bail to student activists Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam in the 2020 Delhi riots conspiracy case, despite their nearly 6 years of incarceration without trial. The case was examined under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, or UAPA, which prescribes a stringent bail regime. The court ruled that the right to personal liberty under Article 21 is not absolute and can be curtailed by special statutes like the UAPA. It held that Section 43d(5) of the Act creates a high threshold for bail, requiring courts to deny bail if the accusations appear prima facie true. A key reason for denial was that Khalid and Imam were placed on a qualitatively different footing from other accused. The court identified a hierarchy of roles, describing them as the alleged ideological drivers who planned and directed protests, converting them into sustained road blockades aimed at paralyzing Delhi. In contrast, 5 co-accused were granted bail as their alleged roles were limited to local-level facilitation and logistics. The court also rejected the argument that prolonged custody alone justifies bail. It distinguished the 2021 K.A. Najib judgment, clarifying that delay does not automatically override the UAPA bail bar, especially for accused alleged to have a central role. Importantly, the court adopted an expansive reading of Terrorist Act under Section 15 of the UAPA, holding that nonviolent acts like sustained road blockades can qualify if they threaten economic security or disrupt civic life, particularly when timed with international events. The verdict marks a departure from earlier judicial emphasis on liberty and has raised concerns about criminalizing dissent under anti-terror laws.